Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today, for those that are following the Mel Bay book, we're going to do page 39, the bottom half. Alright, we did the Austrian hymn. Now we're going to do Home on the Range. Right below the title, the Home on the Range, you'll see this sort of sideways V, looking something like that. And it'll have an equal sign and say, accent. All right, I know how you people enjoy my art. All right, so that means accent. Accent means like if you have a note, a regular note like that. All right, and it has, if the note then is accented, it'd be very slight. Okay, let's give a listen to that with a pick. Accent, accent, accent. It's just giving a slight push. All right. In Mel Bay's Infinite Wisdom, I guess we don't really see too much of that here. Only on the third line down, let's see, right before the last measure on the third line down, the A has an accent. All right. The tune, Home on the Range. All right. As always, when we're mixing the notes with the chords, until we're comfortable, what we're going to do is play the top note, the highest note of the chord. Once we get comfortable, then we start incorporating the entire chord. I'm going to play a few a few measures of this. Again, quick review, the 3/4 time. You see that it has a F sharp, that the top line has that sharp, which means all the F's in the tune are sharp unless there's a natural sign to cancel it. All right. Incomplete measure or pickup. All right, so when we see that we're in 3/4 time, it's a quarter, means we're going to start on the 3. All right, and the last measure of the piece will make up the difference, and that's only going to be 2 beats. All right, look it over. Okay, really quick. 1, 2, 3. That's the first line with the chords. Without the chords, it'd sound. I made a mistake there, but that's all right. We'll leave it in anyway. Okay, so that's what you do. I'm just scanning real quick here. On the second line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th measure, you'll see an A and the F sharp. That's what it sounds like when you're playing them together. Okay, I'll play from the second line. Well, I'll play the second line, so listen up. All right, 2, 3. So that's a little bit there. Is there any place else? Pretty much you should be able to fight your way through this one. Okay, on the third line, 3 measures in from the end, you have, your little A7. Okay, that you're doing this, and you have the bar. This is just a little different fingering we're going to use here. You have this with the 3, F sharp, and then the G with the second finger, and the A with the pinky. All right, so again, this is the third bar, the third line, and it's the third bar from the end. A7. Okay, we got that. All right. Outside of that, you work your way through this. This particular piece is not easy. All right, so this isn't something, you know, you're gonna, oh, I'm gonna get this week, and this assignment I'll be able to play it, you know, in a week's time. Yeah, good luck if you could play it in a month. All right. Most importantly, slow and even. Very, very important. And as you develop it and you start playing everything, the single notes with the chords together, it's it's a pretty piece. All right. That's what it sounds like, complete with the chords and everything. All right. When I played it, and I just realized after I finished, I sort of put in my own feeling with it. Just try to keep it even. Use the metronome. Keep it even. That's what it sounds like. All right. Good luck with this. And again, just play the top notes of the chords till you start getting comfortable. And also just take pieces, you know, like say, all right, I'm going to take the first line, you know, fight your way through that for a week. All right. And I say fight your way through, you know, I'm not trying to be sarcastic. This is not an easy instrument. All right. But I'm glad you chose it. Listen, thank you very much. And again, as usual, if you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Comments or questions, please. All right. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.